In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the roll and cover resources. So I have chosen the SH roll and cover, and I'm here on the menu screen. I'm just going to click on the initial sound for today. And what you're going to want to do is to come down here. Of course, you're working alongside with your student, but you will click on the die feature here, and then you will have your student roll it. Okay, so we got a 5 here. We can either, let's see, let's go ahead and click out of here. And then we're going to come down here. We're going to choose 5, and then your student would say their word, shoot. And then they can choose whichever game piece here they like to use to cover the word, just like that. And then you do the same thing again. You would come down here, you would click on the die feature, have your student roll it, or you can roll it for them. And we've got a 6 this time, so 6 is shine. And then your student or yourself can drag the piece over to cover the word. And the game continues on as long as the student is still engaged or until the board is covered.